तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरवति नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीशगोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदिदेवी सत्त्ववत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीनाम् अपराधलब्धाश्च कामादितरङ्गवत्यै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते शरणारविन्दं। भजामि राधाम् अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधा मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रं ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्नकाति। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्मों नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद भक्ति वेदांत शिरोमणि गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि शास्त्रांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ करना हम लोग
We are reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhyam Lila, Chapter 2. Where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in the mood of separation, Mahaprabhu was staying in Gambhira. And he was absorbed in Radhaji's vow. In that mood of like as if Radha is in Man. in this separation mood. Mahaprabhu is relishing this separation mood. That
जदा जातो दैवान मधुरूपी रसौलोचन कथम सदात्मकं चेतो मदनहत केनाम आरित अब्रूद पुनः जस्मिन् स्तेजं क्षणोऽपि दृश्यपदे पदवीं विधासनम् अन्तस्मितम् घटीकारत्नखचिता। इस जगन्नाथ वल्लभ नाटक में
in Jagannath Vallabh नाटक
अपने भाव को यानी विरह दशा में अपने भाव को
he's telling Radharani in the mood of deep separation mood, she's telling the Sakhis,
जदा जातो दैवात मधु रिपु असु लोचन कथम दैवात माने हठात किसी कारण से
that reason when this Krishna's beautiful face, when I see that beautiful face of Krishna, that at that time my chit is having darshan of Krishna. That I used to think of myself as very fortunate. Today Krishna is he's come in front of my eyes. At that time there was so much anand, so much ulas in my heart. That is Madan, the Madan, the bow. That both Madan and Anand, the two, both of them, they were combined in my heart. And it's like, because I could not really see his face, his beautiful face, because of the bhav I had tears in my eyes, and so I couldn't really see his face so properly because his tears were because of the tears. In the Shravan Maina, in the month, during the during the rainy season, how the rain is falling, like the rain is falling, like that. When I'm having darshan of Krishna, there's so much anand in my heart. Because of the anand in my heart, I have tears in my eyes. Then I cannot see because of the tears. The tears are blocking my vision. It's blocking. These tears are blocking the vision of Krishna. I try to wipe the tears from my eyes, but the more I wipe the tears, the tears will keep continuously flowing more. What happens when you have Krishna's darshan? There is so much anand in your heart. And what's the second thing? Madan. Calm, aparadhik calm. That it just it breaks in your heart like calm. It's just that when can I serve Krishna? And then a shaking, emotion, inactive. And then what happens to my body? All the limbs in my body becomes, the senses don't work. It becomes inert. Stunt means inert. Yeah. stunt, like
शरीर की कोई अंग
that
हस्त पैर,
not even
हाथ, पैर,
any limbs in my body
ये सब
function.
क्या हुए?
Stationary, they're complete stationary, stump like a pillar, stationary. It doesn't even move at all. That's when this praying manifests in my heart.
मेरी सारी इंद्रियां
All my senses,
अपने आप
by automatically, they become so still, like still, stationary, inert.
और उस समय मैं सोचता हूँ,
And at that time, I start thinking,
उस समय तो मैं मन ही मन सोचता रहता हूँ कृष्ण के ऐसे पूरा स्वरूप कब मुझे दर्शन होगा.
in my mind, I'm still thinking that when will I have this darshan of Krishna? I've had darshan once, and then and after having this darshan of Krishna, what happens? You get even more ujjalta, means so much eagerness in your heart that you want the darshan, and also these tears that come from my eyes, that is also blocking the vision of Krishna.
अपराधी काम आकर के मेरी सारी इंद्रियां अपने आप स्तब्ध
And then stunned, and then what happens to my indriyas? My senses become completely still, stationary.
ऐसे होती है कब मेरा
There's just not a single movement in my stationary, in my senses. And I'm thinking again, my mind is thinking again, when will I have this darshan again of Krishna?
वस्त्र अलंकार रत्न आदि के द्वारा
All the
जे कलेवास अपने देखलूं शिवं शिवदारिं सेकाए आइला दुई बइली आनंदार मदन हरि नीलमर मान देखिते ना पाइनु नेत्र भरी पुनः जदि कोन खान कराय कृष्ण दर्शन तबे से घटी घन पल दियामाला चंदन नाना रत्न आभरण अलंकृत करिमु सकल खने बाध्य हইল মন আগে দেখি দুইজন তারে পুছে আমি না চৈতন্য স্বপ্ন প্রায় কি দেখলু কিবা আমি প্রলাপিনু তোমরা কিছু শুনিয়াছ দৈন শোনো মোর প্রাণের বান্ধব নাহি কৃষ্ণ প্রেমধন দরিদ্র মোর জীবন देहेन्द्र विधा मोर सब पुन कहे हाय हाय सुन स्वरूप राम राय এই মোর হৃদয় নিশ্চয় শুনি করহ বিচার হয় না হয় সার এত বলি শ্লোক উচ্চারয় পুনः
Mahaprabhu said in the waking time, in the nidra, in the dream, even in this dream, when Krishna is playing this flute, how he is to flute and his beautiful face, I have darshan of it in my dream. At that time, two enemies appear in front of me. And who are they? Anand and Madan. Anand and Madan. And they steal my mind. And that's why I cannot that's why I'm not able to have darshan of Krishna with the full satisfaction of my eyes. If I get a moment that when I can see Krishna again, then I shall worship him with a garland, like with a flower garland, and decorate him with jewels and ornaments. And then it's these external activities, and there's internal activities. And the third is Antardasha, means the completely submerged in his transcendental activity towards Krishna. That is called Antardasha. Vachya Dasha, that is external Dasha. The external external consciousness, external activities of consciousness. Then that time he is talking to people, his people outside. He's doing Nam Sankirtan. He's laughing. He's singing. He's talking. But then when he external internal activities of consciousness, then at that time Mahaprabhu keeps on saying something like he'll speak like, oh, I went to Radha Kund, I went to Yamuna, I had a bathe in Yamuna, I bathed, and today I went with the gopis in Madhuvan, Indulila, Nauka Vihar, Boat Lila, boat sporting Lila, pastimes Lila, also water sporting pastime, Jal Bihar, Jal Lila. And this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu keeps on speaking like, but when he's in Antardasha, completely submerged in internal mood, in internal consciousness, then at that time Mahaprabhu speaks. Go, go. From his mouth only go, go, go. Sound comes out. Like a tortoise, his body becomes his body. His arms, his legs, they just go inside. Like a tortoise. That becomes like his body becomes just like a circle, like a tortoise. When the tortoise puts all his limbs inside his shell. Go, go. And only one sound that comes out from his mouth is go, go, go. In his Antardasha, sometimes Mahaprabhu, he becomes very long, like his limbs become very long. Sometimes the joints, the joints, they dislocate. They like joint becomes, is it like dislocated? No. This is the dasha of Mahabhav. When Mahaprabhu was in this dasha, internal activities of consciousness, and then he used to ask Rai Damodar and Swarup Damodar, he used to ask a question to them, that, am I Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Oh, did I see? Did I speak? Did I speak when I was dreaming? Mahaprabhu is asking this Rai Ramananda and Swarup Damodar. He said, did I ask you anything today? He's questioning, he's asking this Rai Ramananda and saying, Mahaprabhu, in a very humble mood, he's saying, my life is wasted.
प्रिय मित्र हो।
You are very dear friends of mine.
देखो मैं आप लोगों के निकट एक बात कहता
I'm only asking, I'm telling you one thing.
नहीं कृष्ण प्रेम था मेरे हृदय में कृष्ण के प्रति प्रेम है क्या?
Is there a Krishna prem in my heart?
मेरे हृदय
My heart
कठोर है
is very hard. It's like a thunderbolt.
अथवा संपूर्ण जो है सुनना कुछ नहीं होता।
Actually, there is nothing in my heart. There is no prema in my heart.
अरे मेरे हृदय में तनी भी
In my
कृष्ण
heart,
के प्रति प्रेम तो बोलते प्रेम की गंध नहीं है।
there is not even a smell of prem.
गंध पुष्टि दरावी में हरो कंदामी सौभाग्यम प्रकाशम वंशी विरास अननम रूपणम विना विभर्वी जत प्राण पदंग कान विदा। महाप्रभु दया करके कहते हैं
Mahaprabhu is saying in a very humble mode, he is saying, hey friends, what can I say?
प्रेम तो बहुत दूर की बात प्रेम के थोड़ा
Prem is very far away. Even a tiny smell of prem is not in my heart.
अच्छा यदि कहो
If you say,
प्रेम नहीं हो
if you say there is no prem in your heart, then why are you crying? Actually, the symptom of prem is tears.
सौभाग्यम प्रकाशितुम अपने सौभाग्य की प्रकाश करने के लिए मैं रोता हूं।
Just to, I only cry so that I get attention, or like, to. But actually, there is no prem in my heart. Just for Subhagya, I have tears in my eyes. Just to.
मैं रोता हूं।
That's why I cry. What is this Subhagya? Subhagya.
तुम रो रहे हो
Then people will say that I'm just showing off, like I'm crying to just show off to other people, that people will think.
देखो एक बुढ़िया थी
Like for example, there was one old lady,
और एक संत महात्मा की कथा में वो जरूर आती थी।
and she used to come and listen to one Sant Mahatma's katha.
पीठ को लगा करके
Like she used to put a bag against the wall and used to sit there to listen to katha.
ऐसे बैठ जाती। कथा प्रारंभ होने के साथ ही साथ वो बुढ़िया रोती।
At the end of the katha, like when the katha started, she was always used to cry.
संत महात्मा बहुत विरह की कथा भी सुनाते थे।
And Sant Mahatma was also giving a pata. He was reciting the katha about Vira, separation mood. And as soon as the katha started, that she had tears flowing from her eyes, and she started crying. As soon as the katha started, when the katha ended,
संत महात्मा
the Sant Mahatma asked this old lady, "Hey Mataji, tell me,
आप मेरी कथा को सुनकर इतने रोते क्यों?
why when you listen to my katha, why do you cry so much? Is there a Krishna prem awakened in your heart? That's why you're crying?
क्यों रोती हो?
Tell me, why are you crying?
क्या समझ में आई
What did you understand from the katha?
और जिससे तुम रोते हो?
That's why you're crying. Why are you
कहते
crying?"
थे कि संत महात्मा
The Buddha said, the old lady said,
बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता।
I don't understand. I don't understand anything from your katha. I don't understand anything from the katha.
बिल्कुल मेरा
Man nahi.
समझ में नहीं।
I didn't at all understand from your katha. Then so Sant Mahatma said, then why are you crying? So Sant Mahatma, he said, look, listen Sant Mahatma, for 3 or 4 days, for the past 3 days, my bakri, my goat,
किंतु देखो
my
मुखी तो मिला ही नहीं कहाँ चले गए?
I've lost my bakri, my goat.
लंबी दाढ़ी
I can't find her for the past 3 days. But beard, the beard she had around her neck, that reminds me of the beard that you have. So when you are speaking the katha, then your head is moving like this, right and left. So that's how my bakri, my goat was. So that's when I see you, it reminds me of my goat. And then my goat was very, very dear to me. So like that, she used to also move the head. So I remember her, and when I remember you, so that's why I'm crying. So actually, having Rona, if somebody is crying, doesn't mean he's got Krishna Prem. When actually the Prem comes, when Sneha Man comes in your heart, that is that you have tears in the ashu. Before that, if you have tears in your eyes before Sneha, that is not the symptom of love. It's like a strange, unknown person. Unknown? Unknown. Or innocent, okay. The innocent person who's got no Shastra Gyan. And then he starts crying, he's shedding tears. That it means he's got Krishna Prem. That is not true. The symptom of the Prem is the Lakshan. Shanta, Manas, Asha Bandhu, Namkanta, Ashikta. Okay. In the power stage, those are the symptoms that it's mentioned at the stage of bhav, what the symptoms will appear in the body. So before that, if the sadhak is crying before that, so it's really actually tears are called sentimental tears. When the prem, because of if you are crying because of the prem, that those tears are different, those symptoms are different. That's bhajansil. Okay. People who don't have Shastra Gyan and then they've got tears in their eyes, that is not prem. That's why Rupa Goswami Pad is saying they've given up 9 external symptoms of bhav, stage of bhav. Do you know, remember? Okay. Asha Bandhu, Hokta, Sadaruchi, Ashakti, Vashishti. After when the bhav sprouts, then these are the 9 symptoms. So in the very humble mood, Mahaprabhu is saying, when I'm crying, Kisle, why am I crying? So that Sobhagya, what is my Sobhagya is, my fortune is, that people will speak and they say, Are, he's crying, that he's so fortunate. He's actually, really, in my heart there is no prem. They cry and say, if they see tears in someone, then people will say, oh, look at this Sant Mahatma. Just by listening to Krishna Katha and by reciting his name, by speaking his name, that they cry. Then people will say, oh, how fortunate he is. But then actually that is no my Sobhagya. There is no prem in my heart. Really, actually there is no prem in my heart. Hey Bansi Badan, her flute holder. You're taking without your darshan. That my life. Then my jivan, my life is wasted. Krishna Prem Vina, the life is. Mahaprabhu is saying that without Krishna Prem, my life is wasted. It's suffering. It's bekar, it's useless. It's eating and sleeping. At night time, at night you sleep At daytime,
खा पी करके
you eat and drink.
और अलमोंड क्या जानते हो?
Almond.
माने रात में जो है
At night time,
सो करके
you sleep.
बिता दे नष्ट कर देते हो।
You waste your time sleeping.
नहीं हिंदी में है। अब दिन कैसे बिता गया?
At daytime, how you wasted your daytime? Just by eating and cheating, talking here and there.
ऐसे अमूल्य धन को हम
This very wealthy Amul thing, Amul, that precious thing that we have, time, we wasted it.
विवाह होगी से सो आलोक प्रवेश राजधानी नहीं जो उदिलो हाँ उदिलो दोनों पूरा उदाहरण उसमें ये है नीचे निद्रा बोले ग्यारह दिवस शरीर को सुंदर रूप में सजाने के लिए खान पीन वस्त्र अलंकार आदि सजाने के लिए हम दिन को
Just to decorate our body.
व्यतीत करते हैं।
What do? We waste it.
और रात को जो है
At day,
निद्रा जो है
and
भवनी
at
जो
night time in Nidra,
दीवार जो पकते हैं कुटुंब वर्णी सुबह को करते
Sukadeva Goswami is telling Parikshit Maharaj,
निद्रा जो
sleep.
है तब भवनी छुपे दिन और रात मिलकर के हम चार काम करते हैं।
we do 4 things.
रात में दो
At-
काम करते हैं।
We do 2 things at night and day things at two things at daytime.
निद्रा ज्योति नक्तम रात में हम कैसे बिताते हैं? सो जाते हैं।
What do? How do we use our time at night? We go to sleep.
लेट जाने के साथ ही साथ उनके चालू हो जाता है कौन सा खर्राटा
Right, like what we do is snoring at night.
लेट जाने के साथ ही साथ
As soon as you lie down, in 2 minutes, some people start snoring.
आने वाले कोई सो नहीं पाए निद्रा
Next to that person, nobody else can sleep.
भवनेश अथवा अनेक प्रकार विलास दर्शन आदि है दिव्य आदि दर्शन देख करके अथवा अनेक प्रकार प्रमोद आनंद उत्सव आदि करके
In daytime, what you are doing, you go to weddings,
रात बिता देते हैं,
you know,
हैं?
and eat all this, eat all this.
निद्रा ज्योति नक्तम भवनेश। तो रात में कितने दो काम किया हमने?
At night time, you've done 2 things.
नींद के द्वारा
When you
और
sleep,
दूसरी अनेक प्रकार
and then
विलास दर्शन
Vasha.
एंजॉयिंग सेंस करते
And
हैं
you don't enjoy sense gratification. Madra, drinking, cinema, boyfriend, girlfriend. That's how your night is wasted.
तो रात में दो काम होता है
So you
और
do
दिन
2
में
things at night
दीवार
time
जो अटते हैं
and daytime.
दिन में भी दो काम के
We are doing also two things in daytime.
के लिए आप कहाँ अटोगे? उसके लिए व्यवसाय वाणिज्य कारोबार करना पड़ता है।
Whatever you have to do to earn money, you know, work.
दीवार जो अटते हैं कुटुंब भरणी नवा और दिन में और एक काम क्या करते हैं?
Then what other
अपने
work do at the
परिवार
daytime?
के पालन पोषण में हम लग जाते हैं।
We just get so absorbed in serving our family.
दिन में दो काम
That's two things at daytime,
भजन करो।
and at night time 2 other things we do.
चलो आगे का नाम महाप्रभु उसी प्रकार कार्य मेरे जीवन रक्त चला
So here Mahaprabhu is saying my life is wasted.
अपिंद कृष्ण प्रेम जन जम्मू नगर के সেই প্রেমানন্দ के ना হয় যদি হয় তার যোগ না হয় তবে বিয়োগ বিয়োগ হইলে কেহ না বিয়োগ यह पर भी फिर कहते हैं
Here he's
कि
saying
किसी के हृदय में प्रेम उत्पन्न हो जाए
where there is love, pure love for Krishna, that person cannot actually live.
शरीर छोटे
He would leave the body. He would leave this body. The Suddha Prem. Here we are talking about pure love. Pure love of Krishna.
एक प्रकार के जैसा
Jambur.
जिसके कहा जाता है
Jammu river. So it's like pure love for Krishna, just like gold from Jammu river does not exist in human society. If it is existed, there could not be separation. So like in a Himalaya place, in the Himalayas, there is a jamun pear. There is a tree of jamun. It's called blackberry. Underneath the tree, there is a river that's flowing. When the jamun, the fruits are ripe, so these fruits fall into this, and they fall Jammu river. They fall in the river. So as soon as this fruit touches the Jammu river, that fruit becomes a gold. Oh, it does not exist in humans, but it's only like these devatas, the demigods. They can take this gold away. So like that, similar to that, this prem is not of this jagat, of this material world. So when you have this prem, when you have this pure prem of Krishna, this milan, right? This milan means meeting. Vichet. It won't be. So it's saying when you have this prem, there is no separation. There is no separation. You cannot. It's this milan, right? The milan, but there is no separation. So you cannot exist in this world. You cannot be alive. Hanumanji, like he's doing, when Hanumanji, when Hanumanji got the news of Sitaji and came to Ram and told Ram, and when Ram went to Lanka and then he got the news of Sita Devi and then he came back and told Bhagwan Ram, all the Sena, all the army of his monkeys, they were Ram. So Hanuman came with the news of Sita Devi. And everyone there, all the monkeys, all the army of monkey, they kept on saying, Jai Hanuman, Jai. So they were doing Hankar, like they were saying Jai. Before they used to say Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Now they are saying Jai, Jai Hanuman. Bhagwan Ramchandra, he was standing there. He was there in his tent. And Sugriv and Jambavan. When Ramchandra said, so Ramchandra said, oh, why these monkeys are speaking, shouting so loudly, and why are they saying, hey, Jai Hanuman ki Jai? And then Sugriv said, Prabhu, Hanuman is definitely reached here. That Hanuman has come here with Sitaji's news. Then the Jambavan said, wherever Hanuman goes, I have Vishwas, I have faith that wherever the Hanuman goes, he will always do some. Bhagwan Ramchandra. He said, the Jambavan said that definitely Hanuman is back with the news of Lord Sita. So Lakshman is also with Rama. So he's thinking, what news has he brought? So that 4 months have passed by. We've not heard anything about Sita Devi's news for the past 4 months. So 4 months have passed by. That's why Ramchandra said, like he was eagerly waiting to get the news of Sita Devi, his wife Sita. Then Hanumanji came. He came, the Hanumanji, the tent he was in.
प्रवेश करने के साथ
Hanumanji,
रामचंद्र
Hanumanji came to the tent,
उत्कंठित हो
and then having that seen Hanumanji, he just had darshan of Hanuman, and he had tears in his eyes.
आंखों में ऐसे भाव था
There was so much bhav, that bhav he had, that Hanumanji, that he's just met Sita ji, and then he's brought her news, that when he heard that Ram was so eager to get this news, and Hanumanji, Ramchandra said to Hanuman, have you got good news? Your Mangal Swarup. Her name is Mangal Swarup. Mangal Swarup. Your auspicious name. Even in your name, there's so much auspicious. If whoever does any work with your name, then the work would be successful. If you listen to Valmiki Ramayana, said, Prabhu, there's a good news of Sita. I've got news of Sita. Just saying that much, Ramchandra had tears in his eyes. So he's saying to Hanuman, hey Hanuman, did you see Sitaram in her body? Did you see her body in living? Was she living in a body? You said, oh, I saw one person. Did you see that person? Like you said, did you see that person living, or did you see that dead body of that person? Then Hanumanji said, why are you speaking like that? I'm feeling that. Why are you thinking like that? I'm feeling like as if I came that I saw Sita Devi in a living body. I said, so Ramchandra, I said, no, I'm not thinking like that. I'm just thinking, did you see Sita Devi living or dead? Like Ram is saying, Sita. So then Ram is saying that when my father Dashrath Maharaj, in this deep separation, when I left Ayodhya and went to, and my father in that separation, Haram, he spoke Haram and left his body. So my father could not even stay here, live. He left his body. So I'm thinking of my Sita Devi in my separation, that how she would be able to keep her body, like live in this body. She would also. So he's saying, think about it. So Ramchandra, I said, this is said in the Ramayana, my father, Dashrath Maharaj, in my separation, he left his body. He just said haram. He said haram 3 times, and he left his body. And in my Vyog, so I'm thinking the same for Sita Devi. How in my separation from me, how can Sita Devi be in her body? Then Hanumanji said, this is your Leela. But Prabhu, he said, what can I say? Then if you give me order, then I will give you. I will say. So
क्या बोलना चाहते
So Ramchandra said, speak what you want. See. So,
है न तुम्हारा कपाट निज पद लोचन जंत्रित प्राण कहीं जाओ बार मनुष्य रामचंद्र की जय नाम पहाड़ दिवस
नाम पारु दिवस ध्यान तुम्हारा
निज पद
कपास
लोचन जंत्रित प्राण कहीं जाओ बार ये तुलसीदास जी लिखते हैं।
This is what Tulsidas is saying.
जो प्रेमी
Tulsidas is written.
रामायण के जो प्रेमी तुलसीदास जी रामायण को अध्ययन करते हैं पाठ करते हैं ये पैर को देख लेना पढ़ना।
You look at this verse in
हैं?
Ramayana.
रामचरित मानस पढ़ते हैं कि नहीं पढ़ते इसको पढ़ना नाम पुकार
नाम
माने
पुकारो.
आपकी जो नाम
Your name, Rama, Ra or Ma, your name, Rama.
ये मानो दो शब्द
The two letters.
साक्षात आपके मूर्तिमान दो पहरेदार हैं माने
The two letters, two letters, these are not just two letters, they are your murti. This is yourself, your murti, yourself. And din right, day and night. She is just chanting your name. Ram, 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 Ram.
आपकी शब्द ब्रह्म के इस रूप में
In this roop, the roop, Ra, these two letters of Ram. Nama Pataru. Dhyana Tumhare Kapat. The mother, the Janaki, that means Sita Devi, she is meditating dhyan, continuous. Like Fatak, haha. When the train is coming, when the train is coming on the road, like they put the fatak, it's called the gates. They close the gates so the cars cannot go through. So tada lag gaya, he's locked. The locked. You cannot go. Locked. The eyes, the drishti of Sita Devi is only focused, is completely locked. It's like locked, like a locked at the lotus feet of your lotus feet. So her body doesn't have any way out. She cannot leave the body because there is no way out from that body. Rasta, there is no road out. Tala, it's locked. How can she leave her body? Her body is locked. To leave her pran, her life, the life air from Sita Devi, there is no way out, there is no road. It's locked. And your eyes are totally so focused in your lotus feet. Even when if you are in that deep separation, you would not keep that body. You will not be able to survive in that body.
कृष्ण प्रेम जन जमुना दहे सही प्रेमान निलोके ना होय यदि होय तार जो ना होय तबे वियोग होइले क्यों ना जियोय
Krishna Prem is like that. If once the Krishna Prem is awakened in your heart, it will not go. It will not go. If it means if it leaves, then that person will not be able to survive. Hey Mahaprabhu is saying, hey Ramananda and Swarup, who can I speak my heart's feeling? I'm Laja. I'm actually shameful to speak about my heart. I have to speak about my heart. I don't really want to speak about her. If one brahmachari, another brahmachari He's loving the other brahmachari. Prem, there is a prem between one brahmachari and the other one.
गुरु
How
तुम्हें क्या
will
करेगा?
you? And then you have to go to the guru.
चंगुल चंगुल से
Guru will what do?
मार दिया।
Chambul
और
means?
कोई
What is chambul?
लोगों जितने भी लज्जा की बात हो,
Whatever, how, how shameful it is.
हैं?
I don't know what chambul means, but you have to go to guru.
नहीं तो गैंग्रीन हो जाएगा अंदर में, गैंग्रीन से
Gangrene, disease. Otherwise, what will happen? There will be disease in your heart. You'll get gangrene. You know, gangrene is like a disease. If it's very personal, personal matter, you know, if you have some disease, like if you have some disease in your private parts, and you know, you have to go to the doctor. You cannot say, oh, because it's in my private parts, I won't go to the doctor. Then what will happen to that disease? The disease will spread, and then disease will get worse, and then eventually you may even die. So that's why, like that, Mahaprabhu is saying now, this, I'm so shameful. I'm so shameful. Who can I speak to? My Hriday's Katha. I'm very shameful to speak about my Hriday's Raj's Katha. So I've eaten this shameful seed of shameless. Radhaji is telling his Sakhi, hey Sakhi, when I've got prem with Krishna, Sometimes Radhaji said, hey Lalite, hey Vishake, do one thing. Go take one mridanga. There is a cross, you know, with the road crosses. You go there and just play the mridanga and announce that Srimati Radha has prem with Krishna. I am not shameless. Bata do. Go and announce that.
तुम्हारो लालिया राधा जी के बच्चे कलम के रभार बोलते जो भालवास हमारे विदावती चंडीदास के कीर्तन राधा चंद्र कहते हैं ये कृष्ण तुम्हारे लिए कलम के हार इस संसार के लोग स्वर्ण अलंकार धारण करते हैं और राधा जी क्या करिए
राधा जी
कलम के हार मैं गला में मुझे सभी कहने दो जो मैं कलंकिनी राई कलंकिनी
Kalanki, I think it doesn't matter like what people think. I'm not sure. I don't know what Kalankar means.
तजन्तु बलवास सर्वै निंदन्तु गुरवो जना तथापि श्याम सुंदर मम सर्वस्व जीवन तजन्तु बलवास सर्वै मैं कृष्ण के साथ प्रेम कर लिया
I've got love with Krishna. Even Kalanki, like I'm disrespectful to the society. Even my gurus and my seniors, you know, my seniors, even they spit at me or they criticize me. Still, I will never be able to live. I will never leave Krishna. Sam Sundar is my heart. That is a symptom of Brajvasis. Even my father, mother, my brother, even if they leave me, I'm happy. But if Govinda leaves me, I will still never leave Govinda. Govinda is my life and soul. The Brajvasis, they have so much one-pointed nistha with Krishna. This is because of their firm nistha. Fear. it will not move. Like it's so stable, you know. It's so firm that it will not move. That nista will not move. So the example is like a parvat, you know. If you put a iron rod, you made a pillar of iron rod, and dig it in steel, you know, it's so firmly stuck in the ground that you would not be able to move that iron pillar. So the Vrajvasis Prem, there's nothing other than Krishna. Wherever everything is, Krishna is there. Wherever they see, they only see Krishna. Inside Radha, Krishna.
And Krishnamai, Krishna Radha, Antare Vahi, Devi Krishnamai Putta Radhika Putta. Krishnamai.
Krishnamai.
Krishnamai के शब्द का होता है.
Krishnamai means
Krishna Radha Antare Vahi.
Radha, even inside, outside, Krishna. Even if you close your eyes, then you see inside your heart. Then also you are getting darshan of Krishna. And if you open your eyes, then also you are having darshan of Krishna. So Tulsidas Ram Charitra is saying, Sitaram, he says Sitaram, everywhere, every corner he sees Sitaram. So,
Dure Suddha Krishna Prem, Kapata Premena Bandha, Ei Mora Nahi Krishna Paro, Tabe Parikanna Subhakta, Prakhapan, Kori Ho Jani Ho Nischay, Jate Bangsi Dhani Su, Banate Kisi Sano, Jaddabe Nahi Kalamban, Nija Deher Kori Preti, Kevala Kamera Riti, Prani Kite Kori Dharan, Krishna Prema Sunirmal Jano Suddha Ganga Jal Sei Prema Amritera Sindhu Nirmal Je Anurage Nanukai Annatage Supra Vastri Jaiche Masi Bindu. Mahaprabhu अपने भाव को व्यक्त करते हैं.
Mahaprabhu is describing his power. His Swarup Damodar, the beautiful, the face of Krishna is so beautiful. It's like a moon. It's like the moon. Krishna's face is compared to like moon. Prakash, like he's shining like a moon. And also Bansi Dhani, he's got flute in his hands. When he plays his flute, Klim, when he plays his flute, the flute, when this word Klim sound comes out from the flute, these gopis, how the Klim sound dances, makes the gopis dance. That's what my life is wasted. I didn't love Krishna. Just for my own bas. I'm just, Mahaprabhu is saying that just for my own selfish senses, just whatever's nice for my body, I'm just staying, living. But I've not done any Krishna seva. I don't have any Krishna prem.
Krishna prema sunirmal jana suddha gangajal sei prema amritero sindhu. Oh, Krishna prem kaise nirmal hai? Suddha pavitra.
So saying, I've just taken care of my body. The Krishna prem is so pure, so nirmal, so pure. It's like a nectar, amrit nectar.
कृष्ण के प्रति जो अनुराग,
The anurag you have, Krishna's prem,
वो अनुराग की कोई छुपा नहीं सकते।
who nobody can hide that anurag.
अनुराग के दो लक्षण में शास्त्र में बताया है।
There's two symptoms anurag.
बस प्राण स्नान बंधनम, प्रेमिक प्रेमिका एक दूसरे के परस्पर
There's so much sneer between the loved and the beloved. There's a tie. It's tied. They cannot undo that tie. They have so much.
और दूसरी क्या है?
It's like there's so much bondage between the loved and beloved that you cannot separate them. You cannot untie the rope. However, how many times you have darshan, that you want more and more and more darshan. So I've never seen. I have darshan. I see Krishna's face, but I keep on thinking I've never seen the face. I haven't seen the face. So you want to see this, have darshan of the Krishna's face again and again. And every time you see it again, you think, oh, I haven't seen his face. So when you play the flute by the bank of Yamuna, in this Rupa Goswami is described in one slok. Hey Prabhu, hey Krishna, when you are and by the bank of Yamuna and under the tamal tree, and you tripong and you are holding the flute, and when you play the flute, that to have that darshan of that form of yours is.
निज देहि गति करी केवल कामे गति प्राण कीटे करिए धारण कृष्ण प्रेमा सुनिर्मल जन शुद्ध गंगा जल से प्रेमा अमृतिर सिंधु निर्मल जे अनुरागे नाम काइया तार दागे शुक्ल वस्त्रे जैसे मसी बिंदु। ये कृष्ण का प्रेम होने पर
this Krishna's prem, these two symptoms
शुक्ल वस्त्र सफेद
on the white, it's like a white cloth. If there's a white cloth and there's on the white cloth and there's a one dot, black dot, there's one just black dot, there's only very tiny black dot on this big white cloth, then what happens to, where will your eyes go? Where will your eyes go? Eyes doesn't look at this white, beautiful white cloth, but your eyes will only be focused only in that one dot, that black dot. So even Nirmal Anurag, so pure love, then it's like that. Govinda Gatha. There's no other sound that comes out. The love for Lord Krishna is so pure, just like the waters of Ganges. That love is an ocean of nectar. That pure attachment to Krishna does not conceal any spot. So like Gurudev said earlier, like you see a white cloth and there's a black spot, you cannot cover that black spot, right? So similarly here, the attachment of Krishna, Anurag you have with Krishna, you cannot conceal that spot. So you cannot conceal this attachment of Krishna's prem. Right? All these Sanskrit slokas you speak to Pandit, Pandit will say, yes, nice, good. They don't have no gyan of Sanskrit. So if you speak to somebody who had no knowledge of Sanskrit, it's like speaking to a bass, to a cow. The bass. If you give the bass, if you speak really like beautiful music in front of this, or you play a flute in front of a bull, what happens? So it's like a saying that says, that if you speak, if you play a nice, beautiful flute in front of a bull, what will the bull do? Nothing, right? So if you speak, so this prem katha, who can I speak to about my prem katha? I can only speak to somebody who knows this prem katha. Like the other example Maharaj gave was, I can speak about all these Sanskrit slokas to somebody who has knowledge of Sanskrit. So similarly here, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying that the love that I have in Krishna's prem, who can I speak to? You know, only somebody who knows what Krishna prem is. So I cannot speak to. It's Bengali. Sorry, that's Bengali. No, it's Bengali. Deki. You know that, yes. It's something like, you know, with the harvest, you know, the dhan, you know, the wheat, the rice and the grains, you like smash on it. Like one end has got iron, like a round end, and then it goes in tuck, you know, like what is it called? Alag. So it separates the husk and the grain. It's called. So like this, you keep on doing the dhan, you know. So if you tell anything to that deki, burn kar de. So when you cannot use that deki, like want to be pressed, it separate, then what you do is you burn it, cut it into four and burn it in the fire. So here Mahaprabhu is saying, whoever's got prem hriday, if they have some knowledge of prem, the prem of Krishna prem, then I can speak to them, then they will be able to understand. Who will understand this? Who he used to speak to about his vow? To Rai Ramananda and Swarup Damodar. Others could not understand, only they could understand. So in like this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only used to reveal in ecstasy day and after day and exhibit this ecstasy before Swarup and speak to only Swarup and Damodar Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda. Krishna Das Kaviraj is saying, where the prem is, you know, where Krishna prem is awakened, what are the lakshan? What are the symptoms? It's like poison. Like the body would be burning like poison. Jalan, you know, jalan means it's burning. Jalim lotion, cooling lotion. I don't know, there's some Jalin lotion. If you put it on your skin, it will burn. It will be burned so much. And after sometimes, then it will become cool. It's like, you know, it's that menthol cream, right? If you put that on your skin, first it burns and then after it cools down. So it's burning externally, like a poison is burning. But inside, there's so much anand. Why it's like cooling, it's anand inside your heart. This prem, who tastes this Krishna prem, that's like ganna, you know, sugar cane. Ganna is sugar cane. If you burn the sugar cane in fire, you make it, heat it up in fire, it's hot. And then that sugar cane, you've heated that sugar cane, very sweet. The juice that's inside the sugar cane is heated up, and then you chew it in your mouth. What will do to your tongue? It will burn your tongue. This too. Your tongue will burn, but the juice, the taste of the juice, that the sweetness of the juice, that you will like that taste so much. You will have so much anand that. So. Whose heart this Krishna Prem, they can only understand. Who? Others cannot understand. In this sansar, nobody understands what Prem is. If there is Krishna's Prem, a little Krishna Prem in their heart, then
अहंकारो संकोचनम प्रेमा सुंदरी नंदनो परो जागर्ति जशंतरे जायन्ते स्फुरमश्च वक्र मुद्रांतरिव विक्रांत ये सुंदरी.
So, but he can, even though his tongue, this brain who's in the heart,
वक्र मधुर हाथ विक्रम सकल प्रतीयमान हो जाए, स्पष्ट रूप में दिखाई पड़ता है. वह प्रेम के दो कार्य हैं.
This too.
नवीन
like
काकुट सर्प के भांति.
It's like a poisonous. It's like a poisonous snake.
Very poisonous.
Very poisonous. So this. So he's saying, this poisonous, the effects of love of Godhead, of love of Prem, defeats the severe and fresh poison of the serpent. It's like burning, you know, this burning, like a burning, like poison. So this Krishna Prem is being compared with the poisonous snake, but even the poison at the same time, so it will defeat the sweetness of Amrit, the nectar. The nectar, it will defeat also the nectar of this, the sweetness of the nectar. So in other words, love of Krishna is so powerful that it simultaneously defeats the poisonous effect of a snake as well as the happiness derived from pouring nectar on one's head. It is perceived as doubly effective, simultaneously poisonous and nectarian at the same time. Krishna Das Kaviraj was saying, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has darshan of Jagannath, then he has this vow that I am Radha and that Jagannath is Krishna. In which Radha? Sangyogini Radha. Sangyogini Radha is the one that Radha went to Kurukshetra. So like that Mahaprabhu would have darshan of Jagannath. That Mahaprabhu will think that I am in Kurukshetra and I am having darshan of Krishna in the mood of Radha. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would stand, you know, at the Gurud stump, the pillar of Garuda's pillar. He would stand there. And he had so much tears from his eyes when he was having that Jagannath darshan. that would feel. But Mahaprabhu would have tears when he was having darshan of Lord Jagannath, that that Jagannath is Krishna. He's having that mood of Kurukshetra, that I, Radha, have come to Kurukshetra and having darshan of Krishna. That he used to have so much tears from his eyes, that the pond, the puddle, like there would be big puddles of water. The big puddles of water would be formed because he had so much tears.
जगन्नाथ जी के पर्दे बंद हो गए, महाप्रभु गंभीरा में आकर के
so like that, and then he would Mahaprabhu would come into Gambhira and just meditate on that Leela, and he would scratch, like with your nails, he would be scratching the like then Mahaprabhu would return back to his Gambhira and he would scratch on the ground with his nails. All this, and he would cry so much and say, where is Krishna? Mahaprabhu in the separation mode, and he would be made to speak of his Madhuram, the beautiful form of Krishna. Sindur
Krishna का नाम है
Bilva Mangal Thakur is speaking, and Krishna. Hey Shri Hari, hey Anath ki Bandhu, hey Karuna, hey Commotion, hey Ocean of Compassion. Without having darshan, if I don't have darshan of you today, my day is wasted. How can I keep my life? How can I stay alive? No darshan. So he's saying that all these inauspicious days and nights are not passing, for I have not met you. It is difficult for me to pass all the time. But you are my friend. You are the ocean of mercy. Please give me your darshan. In this way, Lord's restlessness was awakened by ecstatic feelings, and his mind became agitated. And no one could understand the ecstasy that he was having. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not meet Krishna, his mind burned. He began to ask Krishna about the means by which he could reach him. Hey flute player, hey sweetness, hey your young age, hey Madhurya, when will I have your darshan? Your chanchal, your restlessness. How will I hear about that? How will I hear about your restlessness? I see your beautiful, your limbs, your body. Will I have that darshan? Will I see that again? So where? I do not know what to do or where to go. Where can I find you?
প্রভুর হইল দিব্য অনুমান তনুমনের অবসাদ ভাবাবেশে করে সম্বোধন দেব হে দয়িতায়ে ভুবনেশ বন্ধু হে কৃষ্ণ
Oh my Lord, oh dearest one, oh only friend of the universe, oh restless one, hey ocean of mercy, my Lord, beloved of my eyes, when will you again be visible to me? This is a very Karna Amrita Bilva Mangal. Hey, oh dear my Lord, oh dearest one, hey friend of the universe, oh Krishna, hey restless one, hey ocean of mercy, my Lord, oh my enjoyer, oh beloved of my eyes, when will you again be visible to me? In this Prem Dasa, these are the symptoms. Bhavsag, Bhav Madan, verse 65.